The AI and Creativity Workshop is bringing creators, people working in AI, policymakers, academics together to talk about one of the most pressing issues at the moment in AI, which is all about copyright and the work of creatives. Together as a group, we want to find new solutions, deep insights, and a positive way of working together.
I think there's a real existential threat to the creative industries by what's being suggested by government. And so often they try and separate out the AI community from the creative community. And so we're bringing people together and saying, how could this be conceived of differently?
I work in the music industry and I'm here today to protect songwriters from the advancements of AI and copyright theft. Getting around the table all together is the only way we can actually come up with the solutions rather than just focus on the problems.
I'm an artist working in theatre. I'm really interested to learn from the expertise in the rooms. Should we be scared or should we be seeing it as an opportunity for new forms of creativity?
The atmosphere is electric. I've met really interesting people working really interdisciplinary. It's not just tech people, it's important it's not just creative people. We need to have a dialogue.
My head is buzzing with all sorts of new insights, new ideas. What's been really interesting is hearing from the academic, technical world on some of the deep insights into how the AI sector works.
This is just the first of a number of events for the Accelerator programme. What we want to do is focus on really important key developments and focusing on the ethical implications of AI used in that content. So this is the first of many.